So one time, I wore a wrecking ball costume for our Christmas party.
Dance instructor to a group of senior citizens.
I accepted a hosting job for a party.
As in, ako yung wrecking ball, ha?
And they wanted hip-hop.
Hindi ko naman alam na kiddie party pala yun with 40 super hyper kids!
Eh, para manalo, we had to parade around the mall. Imagine, I was a huge ball with a chain tied around my neck, waving to strangers.
Ay! Stop jumping, please! Oh no, don't eat that!
Ay, Lola, pakiingatan po yung likod, ha?
Nakita ko pa yung high school ex ko. Would I sell Avon for 5,000?
Oo naman!
Gusto mo well dancing pa eh.
Sell Avon? After what I did in the mall? Kaya ko yan.